Well, sorry about that. My camera cut out on me. So, for the questions for our class this morning, on page 53 on lesson 9, we first have true and false. And question number 1, the purpose of archaeology is to prove that the Bible is true. That would be false, although it does help us in showing the truthfulness of the Bible. Again, we are not seeking to use archaeology and other evidences to prove, but rather to give evidence to the fact of the truth of the Bible and these things. Number 2, not every biblical statement can be tested by archaeological investigation. That is true. Again, not every statement made in the Bible is in history. It's only found in the Bible. Or what I mean by that, it's not recorded in the history of mankind, but rather is recorded in the history of the Bible. There are no problems associated with archaeology in the Bible. That's false. The Bible contains a complete record of the lives of several Old Testament characters. Again, that's false. We don't have every detail of everybody's life. Now, some we have more details than others, but we don't have at least the entire. I mean, if you're talking about every detail of their life, then no. Now, there are some. Again, we do have quite an extensive record of their life, and if that's how you want to look at it, fine. But again, as the point he makes in the book, we don't have every detail of everyone's life there in the Bible. Next, only a small portion of the archaeological work possible has already been done. It's true in the sense that there's so much more out there. There's so much more that can be done, that needs to be done. And again, look forward to that hopefully happening one day. Archaeology has helped to locate some biblical sites. That's true. Maybe not just some, but a lot. And so, again, that's where that helps. Archaeology gives no help in the study of biblical words. That's false. Archaeology has done a great deal to correct the impression that the biblical history was of doubtful trustworthiness. That's true. It has done a lot, again, to correct the critics and show the truthfulness of the Bible and its trustworthiness. Then finally, number 9, on the true and false, critics of the Bible have been completely silenced as a result of the efforts of archaeologists. Unfortunately, that's false because there are still critics today that hopefully, will one day be silenced to come to the understanding of the truth. But we'll just have to keep praying for that to one day happen. On these other questions, archaeology, we've already talked about what that, means. Items that have been discovered by archaeologists. I mean, there's palaces, temples, monuments, buildings, libraries, pottery, tablets, utensils, clothes, so on and so forth. So many different things that have been found that are helpful in giving information we need. Again, we take the Bible authority on faith, but we do have evidences that help us. All right. And some of these questions, I think, if you have the book, you can go ahead and answer them on your own, get them from the lesson material, and I think that'll be good. So hopefully that'll help. That's just some questions there. If you have any other questions, let us know. At the Zephyr Hills Church of Christ, let me know. You can find me on Facebook. You can email me, whatever the case may be, and I look forward to answering any questions that we can. All right, have a blessed day. God bless.